Hi everyone, this is Raluca. I'm Rennie's wife, and I just made these with the jalapeno peppers that we have outside that Rennie harvested from the outside. And I wanted to show you real quick, what we like to do with them. Basically, we cut them in half and we slice them, take all the seeds out, and then we fill them up with cream cheese mixed with ham. And then we bake them at 375 for about, let's say, 15 minutes or so. I'm actually waiting for Rennie to come back right now because we're going to put some more cheese on top. Sprinkle some Mexican cheese on top, and these are really yummy. It's kind of like low-carb jalapeno poppers. And now I put some of this Mexican blend cheese on top, and they look like that. And we'll put them in the oven and we'll see. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. And this is how they look like when we take them out of the oven. Aren't they yummy? They're nice and roasted on the other side. What do you think, honey? And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. You gotta eat the green too. Bye.